Today is Sunday. On Friday I went on a corporate do to the Chester races and it was a free bar. So yesterday we didn't do an awful lot, did we, apart from go shopping?
Yeah, we're at Chester Oaks.
So we bought some new sunglasses. I got some from the Oakley shop, so I got some Ronnie bands.
I also got some new trainers, some new walking trainers, and I can get my leg up. 30 quid, mate, 30 quid.
We're currently in the Lake District. It's absolutely rammed with vans who just obviously stayed the night. So we struggled to find a parking space, but now we are going to explore some old ancient rocks. How windy is it?
It's blowing a hoolie.
It's blowing a hoolie ball.
Hoolie in.
Hoolie out. We've just been listening to Wim Hof on Fern Cotton's podcast on the way up, so we're all Wim Hofed up.
Yeah, we're going to go for a cold shower when we get home.
We're currently standing behind this beautiful big rock formation on the summit of something overlooking the Hope Valley, and I've just gone round the corner then and nearly got blown off me bloody feet, and that takes some bloody wind to do that. I had to take my cap off, but what's this now? You might have to watch Sarah's hair for the actual dramatic effect, because mine it just hits you like come out today with no plans whatsoever. We knew we wanted to see a particular hill, but we've ended up nowhere near the hill we wanted to go and see because of parking. But we've stumbled upon Stannage Edge by accident, which I've heard a lot about because it's very famous with rock climbers. But it's a fresh as day and it's amazing to be out, and all these rocks that we're walking over are just so grippy. This is just part of, you don't always need to make a plan to have a good time. Just follow your nose, go for a mooch.
Just get outside and clear your mind, especially if you've been working all week.
Yeah. Found a little area to explore, and I tell you what, it does expose weak knees here. We found this little ledge which looks like it's got some sort of like shelter bits and cavey bits, and then you've got the view. Sound this kid. Look. Some history here, old and new. few bits where you can get in trouble. Oh, nice little leads there. We've got on a bivvy. Ah, she's joined us. Feel the fear. Hunley. Get under it. Do it, do it. Get under it. Do it. Face your fears, we just listened to Wim Hof. It's mad.
You won't go in there.
She'll be running down in them shoes, Beb. Found a section here. We walk down that little path, down that little rocky step path, and it allows you to see the face of Stannage Edge. I mean, this thing goes on for miles. It just gives you an idea from a lower's perspective as to what the climbers are doing. They don't climb very far. Dead easy, that lad.
Come on, you go have a go.
Tell the viewers what us healthy beings are eating.
Not 0% fat vanilla yogurt with apple.
Yummy. It's not quite the breakfast of choice. So we decided to go down back towards the car and the other tours and what have you. At the bottom of this climb, so we can watch all the psychopaths on ropes swinging from the tops. Abandoned ship. This route is boggy, muddy and horrible, so we're going up high again. Yeah, not forgetting Sarah's got her new trainers on. Can't get them muddy, can we? Like a different day the other side of that summit, isn't it? Yeah. That was... I got some pretty good footage of how windy that was. Sarah wasn't joking. She actually couldn't get off that stone onto the next stone. It was ace. So we're just going back down the other side of this summit now to head along what looks like a really good path towards Higger Tor. Just another little summit the other side of the road. It's a great little wandering place, this. Just moocher's paradise. We're heading up the descent of Higger Tor now, and it looks a bit of a beast. This walk's been really nice and easy today. Only a couple of very short, sharp climbs, but this is only a very short one. It just looks like a horror. It's about 20 degrees today, and we've had trousers and jackets on all the way through. And it looks like someone is pushing a pram up a different route. Jesus Christ.
Yeah, it's windy again.
There's some wild ponies at the bottom there.
There is.
Remember that albino bull we seen on top of Tor years ago?
Yeah, it's like the first time I think we went up there, wasn't it?
Oh.
Shish kebab.
I'm glad I haven't got any air. I'm not sure if this microphone can hear me, but we're looking at... Oh my God. I feel like I'm getting sandblasted by the dust. There's an Iron Age fort down there. Apparently it's from around 500 BC, but I believe the history's a little bit sketchy on it. How's your hair?
I don't think I'm going to be able to get a brush from it for about a year.
Me too. That was a very, very windswept day, wasn't it? I mean, what's the temperature say? 17 degrees. That's in a strong wind. That was ice. It's loads. We're definitely coming back up here. We keep saying that all the time, but we are. There's loads of places here to stop in your van. I'm not encouraging it, but lots of people are, aren't they? So are you? It's alright, I'll edit this bit out.
I did it.
Got a tissue?
There is no fucking tissue, I've looked.
Finished.
No, oh God, no.
Oogie boogies.
You're not filming me taking me bogies, are you?
No.
You fucking are, you
So what we were saying before, Sarah's crows invaded. There's so many routes around here to walk, it's immense, isn't it? And you don't have to be fit to walk around here. There's a lot of just mid-range, fairly flat paths. So we came here with just the plan to get out.
Yeah.
So we decided to go up one of the shortest routes you can possibly do from the car park, which was Higger Tor, literally 15-20 minutes and you're up.
The plan was we were going to do it last night, weren't we, in the van?
Yeah.
But then we ummed and ahed, and then it was like 9 o'clock, and by the time we'd have packed it, it'd have been like 11 o'clock.
We watched Paul Compson photography. He's got a YouTube channel, and he came up here, and it just looked right for us.
I just googled walks,
and then found Higger Tor. So we had a quick look on YouTube, and Paul was up here doing a couple of videos, and it just looked ideal. So we thought, yeah, nice and easy. But the car park next to Higger Tor's route was full, so we found another one around the corner and found something else to explore, and then we just couldn't stop going.
No, so sort of we walked towards Stannage Edge.
Stannage Edge, yeah. Very, very famous for climbers. There's lots of people climbing over there.
And once you got up sort of there, it just went on forever and ever and ever, didn't it? It's just a nice walk to explore, isn't it? You get up high, but not ridiculously high. Some of the rock faces and different things are really interesting to look at, aren't they? And then
we've neglected the Peak District for a while, haven't we? We've always come up here now and again, but we always get drawn to the much more dramatic Lake District. And I used to do a lot of mountain biking around here. It's brilliant for mountain biking. It's horrendously rough in parts, but this has rekindled our love for the peaks as well, especially with it being slightly closer to home. So yeah, we're gonna go down to Castleton now. Hopefully, it is a very busy valley, but hopefully it's not too busy because I am starving. All we've had is a chopped up apple in some bloody yoghurt.
Yeah, we would have carried on walking, but Alan's belly dictated that we needed to stop.
20 to 2, so I think we need to go and find that pub that does amazing pizza. See you in a bit.
I feel proper tired, mate.
If you don't see us in Castleton, it's because it was far too busy.
Yeah, and we've got home for a bacon and egg bagel instead.